The challenge for this video is to see how much money I can make or lose in 7 days copy trading other professional traders. So I deposited $10,000 on BingX exchange for this challenge, and hopefully I don't lose it all. The reason why I used BingX exchange and not Bybit or Binance for copy trading is because they do not require KYC, in other words, identity verification. But there's a catch to it. You can only bypass KYC if you use the link below in the description, otherwise you will be asked to verify your identity. For those who don't know what copy trading is, in simple terms, you automatically copy trades of your selected traders, so whenever they make a trade, the system automatically opens the same trade for you, and whenever the trader closes the trade is being closed for you as well. So all you literally need to do is to deposit money and select which trader you want to follow. I know it sounds easy on the paper, but the reality is different because there are so many traders available to copy trade. So how do I know which one to trust? Because at the end of the day, they will be responsible whether I lose or gain money. So to increase my success rate, I made some rules that the trader that I want to copy has to follow. I know that in trading, risk management is the ultimate weapon every good trader has to be equipped with. And if I see that trader risks more than they can potentially make, it tells me it's just a matter of time until they lose all their capital. So risk to reward should be at least 1-to-1, which is the worst case. Meaning if they risk losing $100, their gain should be $100 on the winning trades. The second rule, and the most important one, which I think most people ignore, is the trader must be a day trader and not a swing trader or scalp trader. Because if they do swing trading, they might hold position for a week or even more, which wouldn't work well for this challenge. And lastly, if they are scalp trading, meaning they do many trades in a very short period of time and they try to capitalize on small price changes, then it's the worst trader for copy trading just because of the slower execution of your copy trades and sudden price changes. You will never get into the position and exit the position at the same price as trader. So even if the trader is in profit, it does not mean you will be. So I want to prevent that when I do copy trading. Okay, so we jump in on BingX exchange, we go to copy trading and see who we want to follow. If we look at the trending traders and let's say we pick the first one, let's see at the stats. So in the last 30 days, he made more than 10,000 and his account assets, basically capital, is sitting at 11,000, which is not bad. Now let's look at his win ratio, which is very, very high, 97%. If we look at the P&L ratio, meaning risk to reward ratio, it's 1 to 3.4, which is very bad. So basically when he has a winning trade, he on average makes $6. When he has a losing trade, he loses $20. So obviously that's not someone I want to follow. Let's look at this one. In the last 30 days, he made over 4,000 and his win ratio is 68%, which is not bad if they have a good risk management. Let's see, average profit is $70, almost $70, and average loss is $23, which is very nice. If we look at the risk to reward ratio, it's almost 3-to-1, which is very, very nice. Let's see if he has any current positions open. He has 5 positions, trade history, all the winning trades. Guys, I think I'm gonna follow this trader. I'm gonna follow with entire 10,000 capital that I have deposited, and let's see if he opens or closes any trades overnight until tomorrow. Okay, it's the first day of day trading. It's been about 14 hours since I started following the trader of my choice. It's time to check if any trades have been opened and if I'm rich yet or I'll need to take a loan to make it all back in one trade. Okay, let's see how we did. So the trader opened 2 trades and closed them in profit. So Ethereum long has been closed in $66 profit, and Solana long made me almost $160 in profit. So in total, I am $216 up in less than 24 hours, which is awesome. But I have a confession to make. I have closed those 2 trades manually because I noticed that trader has $5,000 in trading balance. So that's the amount he trades with, and I have double that in my account. account, so the position sizes are the same as I would have 5,000, which means I'm missing out on potential gains. So I closed those 2 trades in profit so I could cancel my subscription and follow this trader with the same amount as his trading balance, which is $5,000. And because I have another 5,000 left in my copy trading balance, I will follow another trader. After 1 hour 47 minutes 25 seconds of research, I found this guy. The win ratio of this trader is super high, which might be a good thing, or there's something shady going on. Risk to reward ratio not to my liking, but I let it pass because of the success rate being high. So now let's see how much money will I make or lose tomorrow. Okay, I'm back to my station and it's day 2 of the copy trading challenge, and it's time to see if I'm still in profit. So I'm gonna share all the screenshots of the trades that have been taken by the traders. As we can see, the first trader that I followed haven't made any new trades because he still has the previous trades running, which, if you remember, I closed manually so I could refollow him with the same amount as his trading balance. As for the new trader, he made 6 new trades, which fortunately all been profitable, and he finished the day with $190 profit for me. So far I'm $388 in profit, $190 from the new trader and $216 from the first trader. And honestly, so far I'm enjoying the challenge, and if the traders keep up their results, maybe I'll make enough to pay for my monthly rent. And I know that trading is not linear, so I'm expecting losing days as well. Okay guys, it's day 3 and I have some bad news. No new trades have been closed. We have 3 trades that were opened and still running. 2 trades from our second trader are running in negative so far, but they haven't been closed yet, so still unrealized loss. And I have 1 trade opened from the first trader, which is in a very small profit so far. Again, I'm gonna share the screenshot so you can see. We shall see if these trades get closed today. If they do, I will update you. If not, we're gonna carry on to tomorrow. Good day, and it's day 4 of the challenge, and let's see if I still have any money left in my account. One of the trades running from our second trader that we followed was closed today in outstanding $10 profit. I know it's life-changing gains, but hey, better green days than red ones, right? As for the second trade, it's still open and running. We don't have any unrealized gains or losses. And let's see what the first trader that I've been following from day 1 has for us today. As I can see, our first trader closed 1 trade, $79 in profit, which is awesome. Overall, today was a green day, and total profit on this challenge so far, and it's day 4, it's $477 in profit, which is not bad considering I didn't do nothing except record this video. But again, I'm still expecting to have some red days because we cannot have every day a green day and keep making profits, right? Because like I said before, trading is not linear, so I'm expecting red days. Maybe it will be tomorrow, who knows. So let's see tomorrow. It's day 5 of this challenge, including today we have 3 more trading days to go. And I'm very keen to check how much money has been made today or maybe lost, because as a rule, I don't check any trades until I come here and make a video. So let me pull up my phone and see. As I can see, the second trader that had the trade opened for 2 days, he finally closed the trade, but the trade was closed in negative $47. As for the first trader, he made a 1 trade which was $51 in profit, which is awesome, and that puts me $4 profit on the day and $481 in profit in total on this challenge so far. And honestly, I'm very proud of the traders that I follow because I haven't seen anything stupid being done so far, such as holding trades for too long or maybe risking too much on the trade. So I can leave my positions open and leave everything to traders because I know they've been doing a good job so far, and it's day 5 and we still haven't had a single losing day. Like today we had $4 in profit, but it's a profit, not a loss. So I'm happy with that, and let's hope for the next 2 days, they gonna keep killing it. Okay, it's day 6 of the challenge and I feel something good is going to happen today. Like me getting a G-Wagon. Car! Okay, unlikely. But on a positive note, let's see how our traders did today. Okay, as I can see, our second trader that I followed 5 days ago haven't made a single new trade, but our first trader opened and closed 5 trades today. 2 were losing trades that in total cost me $11, so I'm fine losing $11, right? And 3 trades were closed in profit. That made me over $254. But the bad news are that tomorrow is the last day of my challenge, which I hope gonna follow the same winning pattern as the last 6 days, but we shall see that tomorrow. Finally, the last day of the challenge is here, and being completely honest, so far it has been a smooth ride. I haven't had a losing day, but there were some losing trades, but traders managed them properly, which puts more trust into those traders that I chose. As for the final day, let's see whether it's a red or a green day. Okay, as I can see, the second trader did not open any new trades, but fortunately for me, the first trader opened and closed 5 trades today. And looking at my total balance, I can see that today was the most profitable day in this challenge. Just to remind you, as of yesterday, I was in total profit of $721, and today all 5 trades closed profited me over $1,400, which is almost double the last 6 days combined, which is absolutely insane. And I'm finishing this challenge being over $2,156 in profit in 7 days. Copy trading traders on BingX exchange, let me know in the comments if you want me to keep the challenge running and report back in a month, see how much money has been made or lost in a month, because maybe I got lucky in those 7 days and those 2 traders just had a winning days non-stop back to back. And if you got inspired and want to copy trade as well, I highly suggest doing that on BingX exchange, since they have a huge variety of traders to pick and they are only exchange that offers no slippage copy trading. So if you use the link down below in the description, you can get up to $50 bonus for copy trading. And I hope you enjoyed my challenge and see you on the next one.